In this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to change the default font style in Microsoft Word. This setting is especially useful for academic writing, research papers, assignments, and professional documents where a specific font and size are required. Let's get started. First, open any Microsoft Word document. You will notice that the default font style is Arial and the font size is 12. If you want to change these settings to another font and size, simply follow these steps. Click on the small arrow in the font group on the Home tab, or press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This will open the font dialog box. From the font list, select your preferred font, such as Calibri. You can also choose the font style, including regular, italic, or bold, and adjust the font size. For example, set it to 14. Once you have selected your desired font settings, click on Set as Default. You will then see two options: apply the changes to the current document only, or apply them to all documents based on the normal template. If you want this font style and size to be automatically used in every new Word document, select all documents based on the normal template and click OK. To confirm the changes, go to the File tab, click New, and open a blank document. You will see that the default font has now been updated to Calibri with a font size of 14. This ensures consistency across all your future documents and saves time when formatting. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful research and Microsoft Word tutorials.